Yeah, man! Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you Barbie Asian fried chicken. Visit JamaicaDinners.com. Alright, so this is our chicken wings. So we're gonna make our batter, a liquid batter. You can do this two ways. You can use dried fried, or we're gonna liquid fry. Ingredients are 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of sea salt, preferably, 4 tablespoons of water, along with 3 tablespoons of cooking wine, sherry, and 1 tablespoon oil, coconut oil I'm using. Alright, so this is our chicken wing. So you just take your chicken wings and cut between the joints and cut the fin, the tip of the chicken wings off. Just do as you see me doing. Use a food scissors and just cut between the joints, or you can put the chicken wings on a flat clean chopping board and then use a knife, a sharp knife, and cut between the joints. Alright, so I'm just taking out the fin part, the tip of the chicken wings, because I'm not going to use that part. I'm using the same tray that the chicken wings came in. Alright, so that's what you want. Now we're going to rinse it with some next. Sprinkle a couple drops of white vinegar over your chicken wings. Add some water and rinse the chicken wings properly. So use your finger and kind of make sure it's cleaned. Make sure your chicken wing is clean. Alright, so you do this under running water. Alright, so once you do that, you just remove the water. Alright, I recommend you keep the chicken wings in the tray and then make the batter first, and then mix it smooth, and then you add the chicken wings. Don't do as you see me doing. I'm just doing a fasting. So you add 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of food cornstarch, 'add half teaspoon baking soda. Well, this is the baking powder. Half teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon baking powder. Soda and powder. 3 tablespoons cooking wine, sherry. 1 tablespoon cooking oil, and 4 tablespoons of water. Water. Alright. Alright, as I was saying before, we can do this 2 ways. I'm going to do a second video where I show you Barbie fried chicken, but this is an Asian method. So I was saying you could fry dry. You could dry fry these chicken wings as well. Alright, so do as you see me doing. So don't be as messy as me. Don't be as disorganized as I am right now. Like I said before, it's best if you mix the dough first, then you add the chicken wings. Alright, so mix the dough smooth. And then you add the chicken wings. It's very important that you mix the dough smooth, so that the chicken wings will be coated evenly. Alright, so do as you see me doing and add the chicken wings to the batter. Cover it and put it aside. Allow it to marinate for at least 10 minutes. Now we are gonna make our barbecue sauce. Ingredients is 3 tablespoons brown sugar, a pinch of salt, a garlic, half of an onion, we're gonna grind that fine, 2 tablespoons honey, half cup ketchup, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon coconut oil or cooking oil, any cooking oil, tablespoon dried parsley or fresh basil as well, tablespoon, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and 8 tablespoons of water. We're going to put the ingredients in this saucepan. Alright, so first, just add the ingredients. I'm adding it not in any special order. So I just added the salt. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, share. That's a tablespoon cornstarch. Brown sugar is best for barbecue sauce. Why? Because it makes it darker. Give it that dark color that you want. You can use granulated sugar, but it's just going to make it a little lighter. So that was 3 tablespoons brown sugar. Add white vinegar, distilled white vinegar, 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon of cooking oil, coconut oil I'm using. 8 tablespoons of water. I think 8 tablespoons make quarter cup, but I'm not sure. So I should have put quarter cup of water in there and then see if it would have equal the same. honey. 2 tablespoons honey. Honey. Measure and add 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. You can use any of these herbs fresh. Just chop it fine. Measure and add 1 tablespoon dried basil, sweet basil. Alright, so just gonna mix the ingredients in so you can mix out the cornstarch. Alright, the spoon that I'm using measures a 1/4 cup. So measure and add 1/2 cup of ketchup. This company here maintain quality ketchup. They always maintain it with the ketchup. That's all I can say so far. Alright, so mix ingredients in. Because now we're going to put it on the heat and kind of stir, simmer. Or stir and simmer. Alright, that was a piece of garlic, just peel the garlic. And the onion now, you just need 1/2 of an onion. And this is nutmeg. Nutmeg. Just grind, you need like 1/4 teaspoon of grinded nutmeg. Nutmeg, and it's optional. Nutmeg. I always sound like I'm putting an A in there somewhere. Or I. Nutmeg. It's nutmeg. One of y'all corrected me on one of the videos I did before. That's patois for y'all. With patois, we just make up our own little language. Anything we just make it up. Anything. Once it sounds close to it, that's the language. That's the word. Alright, so you just grind your onion to puree. If you don't want to grind the onion to puree, you can just take the leaves apart and just add it to the ingredients, or to the sauce. And grind the garlic to puree as well. Alright, so now put to heat the same saucepan. Put the sauce gauge on low for now. Almost off low. You know, I can edit this video, some of the videos that I do, I can edit them and take out all of the missaid words that I've, said and so forth. But you know something? I just want you to see how vulnerable I am. I mean, hey, I'm Jamaican, trying to get this English thing right. We talk English in Jamaica properly, yes, but our common language is patois, and a vast number of us don't really talk English. I'll give you an example. The slow stir this, and keep it. You kind of turn the stove up a little. Let me give you an example, and you'll have to experience these things to know. I went to a basic school in a ghetto or a garrison or a poor area, anything you want to call it. And teachers, when they talk to the children, they say, sit down. You know myself, sit down. And go get that. Them don't say go get that. Go pick up that or something like that. Strictly patois. And whenever I try to talk English to little kids, them not understand one thing when me I say to them. They just look at me and say, huh? What you say? What you say? And then the teacher had to tell me, say, look, in order for these kids to understand you, you have to talk the patois. Alright, the flavor of this is delicious. Just taste it to see where it's going. So you just want to stir it in slowly as it thickens. The cornstarch is going to thicken it. So, to continue, the so it's just to experience a thing, you know. I would have never thought that Jamaicans wouldn't understand English. Because they're so accustomed to hearing the straight patois. If you come and talk English to certain areas, certain little kids, I don't know if big people are like that, but little kids, that if you talk English to them and they're not accustomed to it, they won't understand what you're saying. I'm just sharing this point. Alright, so I want you to see this barbecue sauce thicken in front of your eyes. So I'm going to let you see it transform right in front of your eyes. So far it's been 3 minutes. So do as you see me doing and kind of stir and simmer. Right now the stove's gauge is on low, not almost off low, but low. Some people call that simmering. Put it on simmer. Oh, that's what it's called. Yeah. So to say, I leave when I make mistake and say a little patois or miss say a word. I leave it because I want you to see that, hey, that's just our language. That's just how it is. I can talk English and there's a reason why I talk good English. But two reasons why I talk good English. Number one, I got good education here in Jamaica. And two, I traveled. I traveled many places before. Alright, so you see, it's thickening. That's what you want. You want a nice, rich, smooth, thick barbecue sauce. Have you know, this barbecue sauce is delicious. I call this A1 barbecue sauce. It's awesome. It's not too sweet. It's just perfect. The flavor of it is just fulfilling. Alright, 5 minutes now. Stove's gauge is on low. And these same children, once they get big and understand that English is a part of our language, because what their parents do, some of their parents correct them whenever they say a word incorrect. Their parents, because my mom used to correct me whenever I used to talk bad or say a word, and she used to correct me. So when I get bigger, I got better with the English. That's how it is with us here in Jamaica. Because what I notice is, if the TV, no matter what part of this country Jamaicans are from, once a camera put on them, man, boy, that person talk English. It's so surprising. It's so shocking. Once a camera put at that person, man, they talk proper English, no matter who or where they come from. Some of them might miss say a word, like, oh, you hear me miss say a word sometime. That's it. That's the only thing. So sorry to be blobbing away, but you can't see my face, so this is how you can get to know me more. Know my character, my personality. Alright, so it's thickening. I'm gonna turn the stove up some. So it's got really thick. You can finish now, you know. It's been 7 minutes. Right in front of your eyes. I'm not gonna edit it. I'm just gonna run it. I'm just gonna play it just the same. Alright, so it's finished. So it took 7 minutes. Look at that. How rich. Oh, for preservative, you could have added a little piece of ginger. I forgot to say, you know. But I'm trying to cut out of using the ginger because the ginger is so strong it tends to take over the flavor of the thing. But you don't have to use the ginger. But for preservative, you can add a piece of ginger. That's a small piece. Alright, so this is what you want. Put your homemade barbecue sauce aside for later. Alright, now we're going to fry our chicken wings. So put to heat a saucepan, a big enough, a medium-sized saucepan. Put the stove's gauge on 4, medium, and just allow the saucepan to get hot, just to remove the water. Alright, after a minute between two, add oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can use olive oil or any cooking oil really. Add about a cup, between a cup and a half of cooking oil. The objective is to add the oil quarter way up the saucepan. You don't want to add it halfway because it's going to overflow. So about a quarter way up. Quarter way up. So it's about a cup, between 2 cups of cooking oil. Not halfway, only quarter way. Alright, allow the oil to get hot. Alright, so this is our chicken wings. It's been marinating for some time now. Just recommend you marinate it for at least 10 minutes. Alright, so you stir it in. Make sure all the pieces are coated properly or evenly. Just allow. Stove gauge is on 4. Just allow. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Stove's gauge is on 4 still. I see a little smoke. Once you see a little smoke, it's ready. Do as you see me doing and take each piece, not dripping with butter, and then add it to the heating oil. Alright, so that's what you want to do. Add it to the heating oil. And add it to the heating oil and allow it to fry for about a minute. Then you're going to stir it in. You gotta let it fry for about a minute. Because if you start stir it as you put it in, the liquid is gonna separate from the chicken, and you don't want that. The batter is gonna separate from the chicken, and you don't want that. All right, so just kind of gently separate the chicken and be sure that it's not sticking. So just put your spoon and use a big spoon, a tall spoon. Don't use a small spoon as you see me doing. That's not right. The oil can splash on your hands and burn you. All right, stove gauge is on 4, medium. It's been 5 minutes. I didn't stir it. I didn't move it within the time. I just allow it to stay on that side and fry. So like I said, use a bigger spoon and kind of separate the pieces somewhat. You're not flipping it yet, you know. You just want to separate the pieces, kind of take the ones that's not frying and kind of turn it under the oil and allow. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. These chicken wings are kind of small, but these chicken wings, chickens on a whole take 12 between 15 minutes to fry, depending on the size. Alright, so do as you see me doing and kind of flip the chicken pieces from the bottom to the top, or rotate, whatever way you want to call it. The point is to kind of take the ones at the bottom and kind of flip them to the top. Stove gauge is on 4 still, medium low. And alright, 12 minutes. And note, the stove gauge is on 4 medium, so it's not frying fast per se. So just do as you see me doing and kind of rotate the chicken pieces. Make sure all the pieces get a chance to fry. And like I said, use a taller spoon. Don't use this small little spoon as I'm doing. It's really because the bigger spoon is dirty right now. So I don't want to wash it, so I gotta use a small one. But I'm skilled. I know what I'm doing. Alright, 14 minutes. Alright, so it's obviously ready. I just want them to fry it properly. So these are some small chicken wings, you know, but they. Alright, so you want your chicken wings to be golden brown. Like this. Alright. So that's it. Finish. Alright, so you just pour your barbecue sauce on your chicken wings and coat the chicken wings properly. This barbecue sauce looks so juicy and delicious. Alright, so put this aside for later. So this is our barbecue wings. Barbie fried chicken wings. Barbie Asian fried chicken wings. This method is Asian fried chicken. Barbie fried chicken wings. Barbie fried Asian chicken wings. Barbie fried Asian. Barbie Asian fried chicken wings. Barbie Asian fried chicken wings. Alright, I'm gonna eat this 2 little pieces of chicken wings. 1 piece of chicken wing cut in half with a piece of bread. Alright, look at this juicy wing. Look at that. This is 10,000 thumbs up. That juicy and crunchy, crispy, and delicious Barbie fried chicken wings. Barbie fried Asian. Barbie Asian fried chicken wings. Look at that. So juicy and nice. It's juicy. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, share. And you should try cooking some of these Barbie fried chicken wings for yourself. You won't regret it. This sauce is A1 sauce. Alright, see you later. Yeah, man!